Hello, Biotechnicans! Again, that time of the year has come when lakhs of candidates will aspire to progress in their research career, start their CSIR NET exam preparation. This time, after analyzing the CSIR NET question paper, we realized you will need an extra edge over others in qualifying this competition. Thus, we added more ammunition to your preparation for CSIR NET June 2019. Biotecnika already provides the best tools for CSIR NET, such as printed study material, flashcards, lecture video DVDs, CSIR NET tips and tricks pen drive, online e-learning portal, chat support for doubt solving. But you see, we have to maintain our track record of 90% plus success rate. Thus, we proudly announce Biotechnika's newest product, the Konceptika Flowchart Book. This book is in the form of flowcharts, diagrams, and short notes on all important topics of CSIR NET Life Sciences, all 13 units. And guess what? If you enroll for CSIR NET June 2019 or December 2019 with us, we are giving away its e-copy version absolutely free of cost. So what are you waiting for? Enroll for Biotecnika CSIR NET Coaching and grab your copy of Konceptika book today. Visit stores.biotechnika.org or dial 1-800-200-3757 or 080-5099-2444 for more details.